Welcome to this 5-minute morning meditation for a good day. Get comfortable and let's start this day with a heaping of self-love and care. As you prepare to start with your day's plans, know that everything that you set out to do has the potential to be great. Let's start with a long, deep breath in and slowly release. Now, again, breathe in long, deeply, and release. Feel yourself letting go of any lingering sleepiness. As you continue to breathe gently, listen to and silently repeat the following affirmations. I am open to new possibilities. I'm grateful for this day. I welcome any blessings that may come my way. I will show myself kindness today. I will show those around me kindness today. I thank myself for this moment of self-care. Slowly guide your awareness back to the present moment as you prepare for this meditation to close. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and at your own pace, open your eyes. Thanks for joining me here in this place of peace. Have a beautiful day.